Understanding web browsers on Hisense Smart TVs.
Hello, and welcome to our discussion about the web browsing capabilities on your Hisense Smart TV. Today, we'll talk about the supported web browsers on your device, which can significantly enhance your internet browsing experience on the big screen.
What is a Smart TV browser?
A Smart TV browser is a built-in feature that lets you browse the web directly on your TV screen, similar to how you would on your computer or smartphone. Hisense Smart TVs come equipped with a browser out of the box, providing you with easy access to the internet without the need for additional hardware or software.
What browser does Hisense Smart TV use?
Hisense Smart TVs typically come with an inbuilt browser known as Opera TV Browser. The Opera TV Browser is a fully fledged web browser that is designed to work on large-screen devices. With it, you can browse the internet, bookmark your favorite pages, and even use search engines for finding information.
Can I install other browsers on my Hisense Smart TV?
While the Opera TV Browser is a capable web browser, you may prefer using another browser you're more familiar with. Unfortunately, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, you cannot install other web browsers like Chrome or Firefox on Hisense Smart TVs. The Opera TV Browser is the only browser supported. Please remember, software capabilities may change over time, so you should always check for the most recent updates to your Hisense TV software and see if other web browsers have become supported. That wraps up our overview of the supported web browsers on Hisense Smart TVs. While the limitations on browser choice may seem restrictive, the Opera TV Browser is more than capable of delivering a smooth browsing experience. Enjoy exploring the web from the comfort of your couch.